Good morning, Aksa and Thomas. Today in social science, geography, we are going to study about resources. That is your chapter 1. Okay. So, last year also we studied about resources. Okay. Now, I'm showing you a picture. It's a beautiful picture of nature, isn't it? So, in this picture, you can see trees are there, a beautiful lake is there. So the lake and the trees in this picture are resources. Why we can call it as a resource? Because they support animal and plant life, isn't it? So now we can define a resource. What is a resource? All materials, whatever it is, that is available in our environment. Just now I show you the lake, the trees, and like that, whatever. Okay, whatever that is available in our environment which satisfy our needs. Okay, that material or that thing must satisfy our needs, then only we can call it as a resource. So now we can define a resource. What is a resource? All materials available in our environment which satisfy our needs are called what? A resource. Okay. So, all the natural resources have its own utility and a value. Please notice these two words, utility and a value. Okay, all resources have some value. Value means what? Worth. Is that material available in the environment that is worthy or not? Okay, that is value. And some resources have economic value, economically valuable things that are available in our nature, and some do not, but both are what? Important and satisfy human needs. So whatever materials or whatever things that presented in the environment or the nature, it satisfy human needs, we can call it as a resource, and it has its own value and a utility. Okay. And some resources can become economically valuable with time. After a long time only, it will become a resource. That we know that example, petrol, isn't it? Some fossil fuels, and water, air, vegetation, all have its own utility or usability, and they may or may not have economic value. Sometimes it had economic value and sometimes it may not. Okay, but then also it is what? It's a resource. Okay, so natural resources have utility and a value. Now we can find out the meaning of the word resource. Okay, any substance that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Okay, any substance that can be used to satisfy a need, that is what? A resource. So I told you each one whatever available in our nature, it had its own utility and a value. Then we can call it as a what? A resource. Okay. Then the two main factors that can change a substance into a resource. Many substances are available in our nature, but how and when it become a resource? These are the two factors that can change substance, a normal substance, into a resource, that are time and technology. Okay, time indicates the different periods. Okay, and what is technology? Technology refers the techniques to adopt by the humans. Okay, that are adopted by the humans. Okay, technology refers the techniques adopted by the humans. So these are the two main factors that can change a normal substance into a resource. What are that? Time and technology. And Sometimes humans, we are also a resource, isn't it? Time and technology help change a substance to a resource that I mentioned earlier. They are related to what needs of people. According to the needs of people, the humans use technology and change a normal substance to a resource. So it is the ideas, inventions, knowledge and discoveries by people that led what? That led to the creation of resources. Okay, without human beings or without the ideas of human being, inventions, without the knowledge of human being and new discoveries by people, it is not possible to create what is a normal substance to a resource. So it is the ideas, inventions, knowledge and discoveries by people that lead what? That lead to the creation of resources. Some examples I mentioned here. Discovery of fire, that you know that led to cooking. Okay, and invention of wheel to new mode of transport. And technology by humans led to generation of electricity from falling water, isn't it? So now I'll give you the worksheet. Okay, from the PPT itself you can find out the answers and complete this worksheet and send it to me. Okay, bye.